Recent advances in mathematical sciences and new trends in statistics haiba hiramda numit humni chathagadaba National Conference ngasidagi DM College of Science ta hokre. National Conference hawdokpa thauram aduda DM University ki Vice Chancellor Professor W Chanbabu na hauziki matam asida mathematics amadi statistics ki field asida yamna chawna ahongba ama lakre. Tongan ba field da research amadi study tawba matamda statistics amadi mathematical application yawdaba yaraktre haina fongdoki. VCSina makhatana finance, weather, agriculture, environment amadi forest kamari lainaba data sing asid nainaba matamda mathematics amadi statistics module sing sizinaraga nainari. Masigi awareness asi society asida maru oina mahiroi singda khanghanaba amadi hiram masigi matangda tongan ba expert research scholars singdagi idea lauhaunabagi wakhalonda conference asi pangthokpani haina fongdoki. Taruk Shubo oina pangthokliba conference asi Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation and DST-SARB Anushandhan National Research Foundation na sponsor tawduna chathabani. Conference asida Delhi University, IIT Kharagpur, ISI New Delhi, Gujarat University, IIT Kanpur, NIT Durgapur, Sidho Kanho Brisha University, Bennett University dagi masak naiba Professor Taraga Manga, Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, Amadi Noida dagi scientist Mari, Manipur University, NIT, Manipur dagi Professor Taraga Taret na saruk yari. Conference asida research scholar humfuna paper pathokani.
Any field of the research torpose, Masida Hoki statistics applications, mathematics applications, Yaw the Ozimatamsi, Yadrapamatama, big data science and Hoki finance data, the weather data, agriculture marine never data, the environment forest marine never data, Sigi Mayam Sisu, big data Mayamsi, Masid Nainari Basi, analysis Tauribasi, statistical mathematical models Mayamsi, Naraganeva. Aduna Masigi awareness equina society is the Porokoma and Darka labor.
Jiglabanova, development Sida, Kaminava. Habsina Kogi, Maro platform provide to as Masidagi Quena, Asata Ribasi, Horoliba, University Sigi, Amati Tonga Kogi State Sigi, University Research Scholar Mayam Yauri, NIT Manipuri Research Scholar Mayam Yauri, Masipuna Masina, and one new trends in mathematical sciences and statistics Habsi, Masida, Kanava Pangani.